Another week, another episode on the G60, the 2025 BMW that burned completely to the ground. We've made huge progress in the last two episodes, I think. Of course, we made progress from the beginning, but it took like 7 months, I think, to be in this point. But in the last two episodes, we started the car and we moved the car for the first time. And in this episode, we are going to try to drive the car out for the first time from the garage because it's a real mess. I have to make some room in here. I have to organize the parts because I cannot work further. I cannot seem to find any kind of tools and parts, and yeah, it's a mess. Let's prepare everything. Let's try to drive the car out from the garage for the first time. Let's begin. We have to move the car in the front yard because I have to make some room here. I have to sort some parts. I have to list some parts on eBay shop because we have a lot of double parts or parts that are for rear wheel drive car, and this is a all wheel drive now car. So the subframe in the front, it's different. We have subframe in the rear that we don't need. We have like suspension part in the front that is different because it's rear wheel drive, the other one, and this one is four wheel drive. So yeah, I want to sell a lot of parts that are new and good shape, or I want to put it for sale. I'm pretty sure it's going to take a while, but yeah. And I want to make some room here in the garage. The second problem that I'm doing right now is I'm going to swap this wheel again because this one is a winter one and the direction is in reverse, so this is wrong in here, but I swap it because I didn't have any inputs on the TPMS sensor. I have an error for this and I thought the wheel is bad, but no, or the sensor in the wheel, no, it's not bad. I replaced the antenna that reads the TPMS sensor here in the front bumper, and that needs to be coded. So yeah, and I cannot do that right now because I cannot code this for now. So anyway, let's swap the wheel again, and after that we are going to move the first time the car on its own power on the other side in the front yard. Let's do this. Oh my god, why are you locked? Why are you locked? Oh my god, and I hope it's not going to lock some some modules, I wanted to say. Okay, it starts. Okay, I'm going to leave now the key into the car. Every time this alarm goes on, I'm afraid that it's going to lock the car or the module completely, because we already have this theft protection for nothing, to be honest, because the car is 100% original. I mean, not a single part is replaced except for the antenna for this TPMS sensor in the wheel. That's about it. And it's kind of strange that has this error. Anyway, let's take this wheel off, but I don't find my tools. I was in holiday for a few days and I cannot seem to find anything. Just give me a few minutes to search a battery for this. Let's see now. Empty battery. Where are my batteries? Why I don't have any battery in here? That's strange. What's happening? Oh my god, I hope I'm not destroyed because of the heat. I only have 2 batteries in here. Why? So apparently, holy smokes. Apparently this video is going to be about replacing the wheels. That's about it. I cannot seem to find, oh yeah, a battery here. And that's why I need to organize my garage. Oh yeah, this one looks good. Let's take some piece of metal as well, because it was too close to the wheel. What is happening in here? I tighten these wheels by hand. And now I cannot take it out. Yes, this should be enough. So the wheel is off. And now let's install the one here in the back, because this is a summer wheel, and this is with a brand new tire that I bought for the car. When I bought the car, I'm pretty sure it was like 2-3 days after I bought the car, I already received this tire, because I wasn't able to move the car. Okay. Oh, and by the way, we have to install the drive shaft in the front, because I fixed the drive shaft, but I never installed it back. So we have now drive only in the back. I hope the 4x4 won't make any or save any error, because we have more than enough errors. I don't want another error. Oh yes, and we have to drive like really slowly, because I don't want oil to spill out from the differential, because we have nothing in there. Okay. 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 To be honest, I'm going to check the wheels. All of the wheels now. I have no idea if I tightened the bolts or not. No, I'm going to check and recheck everything. I don't want to have any pieces that are going to fall during this drive. This is not going anywhere. This antenna I need to put somewhere, maybe in here somehow. Yes, and I'm going to check the wheel. Oops, we have something here. I'm going to put some zip ties. I have to. Because otherwise I'm going to destroy my work. Okay. Let's cut this zip tie. What's wrong in here? Huh. Yeah, it's done. Yes, this is it, people. Let's drive the car in the front yard. First drive out from the garage. I'm going to tell you everything. If he's going to drive electric or not. Let's see. Starts right away. Let's put the car into drive. Stop. I have something that is bothering me in here. Somebody's calling me. Okay, let's drive, people. We have steering wheel. Holy moly. When my neighbors are going to see this car, and are going to go mad. Holy crap. It's nerve-wracking. So yeah, I'm going to move you in the other part. Oh, this key, man. And let's park the car. I'm driving the freaking car. I'm driving the freaking car. Problem is I don't have a mirror. And I don't want to destroy the car right now in my front yard. Apparently it's freaking driving. Holy moly. Let's park it a little bit better. Till now we have no hybrid drive. I mean the car till now didn't drove electric, only electric. Give me a second to not destroy something. Yes, perfect. Park, works everything. Stop. Success. Holy crap. I finally moved the car on its own back in the place where everything started, to be honest. Strange, man, strange. Let's hope it's not going to rain. The weather looks fine, and I have like an hour to clean something in there, or more than an hour, and after that I have to drive the car in there. So yes, success. We have a lot of scratches on everything, and I see a lot of stuff under the rear bumper. I'm pretty sure I forgot to install something because I can see too much of the heat shield. Not really sure why, but yeah, that's a problem for later. And the car is back in the garage, and of course it's not any cleaner than before, because sadly I have to park the car back in the garage. I have to go a few days. I received a call and I have to fly to Spain. In fact, I have to fly to Spain for a few days, so I had to postpone everything. But what I'm going to show you, and I'm going to close this episode because the week is gone, I'm going to show you that we are receiving parts one after another, and we have in here, holy smokes, we have in here all the metal parts for the hood, the new latch. We have the front fascia for the bumper. We have the lower grille, the middle grille. So we have everything to fully finish the bumper, the front bumper. Until I'm back, I'm pretty sure we are going to receive all the parts for the grille and the hood. Let's hope we are going to receive the hood and we can finish the front end completely. and after that we are going to start reinstalling the dash completely. I have a part from the dash which is right in there, because the new dash, it has like layers. You can remove the top part or the other one. So yeah, I have one part in there. I just have to receive the other one, and we can put the dash completely and the front completely, and basically we are just waiting for the roof. When I can order the roof, the car is finished basically, because the mirror is on order, we have everything, all the parts basically are on order, we just have to receive everything. And with all of that being said and done, we are at the end of the video. This is huge news that the car drives. So we moved the car, we drove the car basically. Everything is fine. Now we just have to reassemble the car, we have to put the parts back together, and we have a G60. So if you want to see more progress on this one, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.